Good morning, gentlemen. This is Jetcruz coming to you live from Stay Home Papa. Live. And we're at Miracle Flooring today. We're going to talk about carpet. We got carpet. We have rolls of carpet. I just can't bring all the rolls down here. This is, my office is here in the basement. But I just want to let you guys know any carpet that you guys can pick up anywhere if you come to Home Depot or Lowe's or any of those places, because that's a lot of our competition here, are those people. We could match anything they got, and better price too, and better installations. As far as all our installers are certified, cold blow free and virus free and everything. They've gone through I critique them, and if you're low money, whatever, we finance. There's different ways you could do this. You could. I have a company, Fundwise, that I use to get you guys a line of credit, so that way you can, get what you need. Buy the carpet that you want. A lot of times people can't afford what they want and they go with a lower line of carpet. But here at Miracle Flooring, we'll fix this so that way you get quality, top of the line products and A1 installations. So, with all that said, where are you going to go? Miracle Flooring, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.